We've seen the celebs all over Instagram touting the latest and greatest powder, but what is collagen? And do you need to splurge at the high price point to reap the benefits?
What is collagen?
Collagen is a type of protein that brings strength and elasticity to our connective tissue, our cartilage, tendons, joints, and skin. Our body makes its own collagen, but production can slow as you age. There are 5 main types of collagen. From a supplement standpoint though, you'll typically find types 1, 2, and 3. Type 1 is the most commonly found in the body. Type 2 is found in cartilage. Type 3 is found in skin, muscles, and blood vessels. 4 is found in epithelial tissues like our skin and the lining of our body cavities. And type 5 is one of the main elements of our cells' surfaces and placenta. Collagen powder can be extracted from a few sources, the most common being from animals like pigs, sheep, chicken, and fish. There are a few vegan collagen powders, but they don't actually contain collagen because collagen is inherently not vegan. Instead, they'll contain ingredients that help stimulate your body's own collagen production.
Can you get collagen through food?
A common misconception is that you need an expensive powder or supplement to get more collagen in your body than what it already produces, but you don't. There are several food sources of collagen, some of which you might already be eating. Bone broth is a great source of collagen, specifically type 1. This can be either beef broth, pork broth, or chicken broth. We have a great recipe, by the way. Skin on chicken, sardines, and organ meats are other great sources of collagen. To help encourage your body to bake as much collagen as it can, make sure you're getting plenty of vitamin C. Berries, citrus, and green veg like broccoli are great sources of vitamin C. Aloe vera juice has also been shown to increase collagen synthesis in human and animal studies, if you have access to that.
Should I be taking collagen?
Many supplements claim to help reduce wrinkles, firm skin, and even relieve arthritis pain, and they may do just that. Research supports that collagen in conjunction with vitamin C might help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and help with skin elasticity and hydration. Some studies have also found it might reduce cellulite. Other studies have found that collagen can replace the synovial fluid in your joints, which might help reduce arthritis pain, and these findings held true for athletes as well.
What should I look for when I'm buying collagen?
There are 2 main things you should look for when buying collagen. First, you should look for hydrolyzed collagen or collagen peptides. They're basically synonymous or interchangeable, and all it means is they're broken down into smaller units that are easier to digest. Secondly, check the type of collagen in your powder. The most common types are types 1, 2, and 3. If you're taking collagen for its anti-aging benefits, look for a supplement that has type 1. If you're interested in collagen for its joint health benefits, try and find a powder that has type 2.
What are the best collagen powders to buy?
Here at EatingWell, we taste tested a bunch of collagen supplements, and all of these are third-party certified and available to buy online. Vital Protein's original collagen peptide. They're rated as a best choice on Amazon and are endorsed by Jennifer Aniston. We like that each scoop has 18 grams of collagen plus hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It's easily soluble in hot, cold, and room temp liquids and is versatile since it's unflavored. Bub's Natural Collagen Protein Sticks. This is a great choice of collagen powder for travel or on the go since they're already portioned out into single servings. And they're only 1 ingredient, bovine collagen, with nothing else added. Momentous is a brand specifically designed for athletes. Their collagen peptides powder specifically delivers 2 types of proprietary collagen. One targets your joints, the other is good for hair, skin, and nails, plus a healthy dose of vitamin C to help with absorption. We had to include Vital Proteins twice on this list because their array of products is unmatched. This specific product contains hyaluronic acid, biotin, vitamin C, and proteins on top of collagen. It also comes in 3 flavors: lavender lemon, tropical hibiscus, and strawberry lemon. Collagen is important for a whole host of body functions, but just remember if you want to up your intake, you can do so through food, which is always our first choice.